Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream, a sustainable Korean skincare revolution. K-beauty trends are here to stay, and Glow Recipe is leading the pack with their innovative natural skincare line. The Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream is one such revolutionary product that combines traditional Korean beauty techniques with advanced clinical skincare. Do you suffer from dark circles, puffiness, and dryness around your eyes? Look no further than this one-of-a-kind product to soothe, hydrate, and rejuvenate a tired eye area. Let's dive into the details of this product, and how it fits into a clean, sustainable skincare routine. Glow Recipe prides itself on its sustainability practices, and it's evident in every aspect of this product. The Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream is formulated with naturally derived ingredients, like guava, that nourish the skin without any harsh chemicals or synthetics. The brand's eco-friendly packaging also ensures a low carbon footprint while delivering a premium product to your doorstep. The key ingredient in this eye cream, encapsulated 10% vitamin C, is a testament to the brand's approach to clinical meets natural. This breakthrough technology allows for gradual release and gentle absorption to maximize treatment without any irritation or stinging around the eye area. The 5 clinically advanced water-soluble and oil-soluble vitamin Cs provide visible brightness to dark circles, while the niacinamide blend targets intense pigmentation for a more even skin tone. Apart from the brightening effects, the Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream also boasts peptides and green caffeine to rejuvenate tired eyes. The acetyl tetrapeptide 5 and arginine work together to visibly lift and reinforce the eye area skin. The green caffeine tackles puffiness by targeting fluid buildup and reduces the appearance of fatigue. This gel cream has a super lightweight yet creamy texture, making it ideal for daytime use. You can use it on the entire eye area, including the upper eyelid, without any greasy residue. You'll also appreciate how it helps concealer blend smoothly, creating the perfect base for your makeup routine. Glow Recipe values its Korean roots in every product, and the Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream is no exception. When it comes to skincare, traditional Korean techniques focus on improving vitality and promoting a youthful glow. This eye cream encapsulates those values by combining the benefits of natural extracts with advanced clinical research. The Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream is much more than a typical eye cream. Its sustainable Korean beauty approach makes it an innovative and effective addition to any skincare routine. Say goodbye to puffy under eyes and dark circles and embrace a brighter, healthier look with this product. Don't forget, sustainable beauty isn't just about looking good but feeling good about the impact our purchases have on the planet. So go ahead, treat yourself to this breakthrough product and indulge in a guilt-free skincare routine.